Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to your Telegram bot. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in your Telegram bot you can receive notifications about every new lead. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, Google Lead Form. Now we select the system where we want to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form. In this case, select Telegram, your bot. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window we can change the account name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list of active accounts, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new leads from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Assets section and select Lead Form. Now let's move on to the settings of the form by which we want to receive new leads. Find the item Other Data Integration options. Paste the copied URL. Copy the last part of the URL and paste it into the key field. Now you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After that, click Save and return to your personal account Save My Leads. At this stage you need to connect your Telegram bot to the Save My Leads service. In this window you need to indicate the bot token. In order to get it, go to Telegram. Then find BotFather and launch it. If you have not yet created a Telegram bot, click New Bot. If you have already created a bot, click My Bots. Select the required bot. Then click API Token. Copy the token and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled in, click Save. After connecting the bot, you need to launch it in your Telegram. To do this, click on the button with the name of the bot or find it manually. Next you need to copy the string to connect the Telegram bot and send it as a message. After you receive a message about successful connection, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. When the connected login appears in the list, select it. Next you see the message field to which you can assign variables from Google Lead Form. To do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. If you are satisfied with everything, you can leave the presets unchanged. At this stage, you see an example of the data that will be sent to your Telegram bot with each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Telegram. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from Google Lead Form to be instantly transferred to your Telegram bot, you need to enable Auto Update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.